Okay, the other big story we're talking about, obviously, the extreme heat that we are talking about as it's creeping into our region here, and it will do so over the next few days. You are going to want to take some precautions because these temperatures are going to spike starting this weekend. I mean, scorching. Chief Meteorologist Betsy Kling is tracking all of it and has been. So when we say they're creeping in or they're getting here, what kind of timeline, like how much time do we have to get ready? I think is what some people might be wondering.
Just exactly what you said. Sunday is really when the impacts of the heat will be most noticeable. That's when we achieve those temperatures in the 90s. The heat index creeps over 100 degrees. So we have tomorrow where it's going to be plenty warm, but not anything that's really excessive. On the leading edge of all of that heat, we have had a few rumbles of thunder that have been popping up, a few showers. These are just going to pass through as we head through the latter part of the evening. We'll have to keep an eye on this complex that's coming out over the lake now. That may clip portions of Ashtabula County in a little bit. And we can't rule out a few other pop-up showers here and there, like this little one that's in northern portions of Portage County. But all of that, as I said, is on the leading edge of the heat. Temperatures are cooler east where we've had the clouds, where we've not seen as much cloud cover. We are well into the 80s. And Sunday to Wednesday will be this extreme heat window for us, and an extreme heat watch has been issued. Temperatures are in the mid and upper 90s now in the Plain States. That's the bubble of hot air that is going to creep eastward, and already in advance of that, National Weather Service has been putting heat alerts out. So we have this extreme heat watch, which you may be going, well, what happened to the excessive, right? So we've had those before. Everything means the same thing. They just renamed it in March of this year. So it's an extreme heat watch that we have, and the extreme heat warnings will likely be coming because this heat wave will be building. We are still going with upper 80s tomorrow, and it's the 90s starting on Sunday and continuing all the way through Wednesday that will combine with the humidity that will be tropical to produce some really big heat index numbers, easily at 105 plus, which would put us into that extreme heat warning criteria. And I think we will be achieving or getting very close to record high temperatures. Then you factor in that humidity, it's going to feel a lot warmer than it actually is. So June 22nd to 25th, that's Sunday to Wednesday, soaring heat. You definitely need now to plan on ways that you can stay cool. If you don't have air conditioning, you need to start thinking about how am I going to stay cool over this period of time. And if you have people who you love and friends nearby, it's a great time to reach out and ask if you can help them. Christy?
Yeah, no doubt about it. And for all those kids that are going to be on the sports field and the pets, I mean, we just have to think about everybody right now, Betsy.
Yeah, we'll have more on that coming up at 6.
Okay, looking forward to that. Thank you so much.